Thanks to the arrival of e-commerce platforms, for the past few years, Republic Day has not just been about being patriotic, but also about celebration with new gadgets. So once again, Amazon's Great Republic Day sale and Flipkart's Big Billion Days are back. We managed to find some great deals for you, over 100 of them. The link to the spreadsheet can be found in the description. So guys, listen. You could just go to this page and browse all the offers if you want right now. That's cool. Just hit the subscribe button before you leave. This took a lot of effort. But if you want more guidance, more input from my side, like which offers are good, which laptops are worth considering, which smartphones provide the most value, etc., stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's begin with the laptops. The number of deals is not as many as what we saw during the Diwali sale last year, but still there are a few very good deals like the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition at its lowest price ever at 49,999 rupees, which seems like a great deal if you ask me. We also have the Asus VivoBook 14 that comes with Ryzen 5 3500U for just 34,490 rupees. If you guys were looking for a good budget laptop for productivity, I think you guys struck gold with this one. This is the cheapest laptop with Ryzen 5 3500U available in the market, and it also comes with an SSD, backlit keyboard and fingerprint reader, none of which is easy to find in this segment. The HP 15S and Acer Aspire 3 are quite good too. You get similar specs along with a 512GB SSD at around 41,000. Apart from these, if you're looking for some specific requirements, if you have some specific requirements, like if you want a very thin and light laptop, we have the MSI Modern 14 priced at 52,000. It comes with the latest Ryzen 5 4500U. The laptops we saw earlier had 3500U, and it weighs just about 1.3 kgs. If you don't care all that much about the form factor, we have Lenovo's ThinkPad E14 with the same Ryzen 5 4500U processor, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD at an offer price of 48,000 rupees. If you're into 2-in-1 convertible laptops, HP's Pavilion X360 is at its lowest price ever, 49,990 rupees. It has a touchscreen, by the way. The 11th Gen Core i5 edition costs 66,000 rupees. You can have a look at other options as well. However, when it comes to gaming laptops, this time around the offers are not as aggressive as they used to be. For example, gaming laptops like the Acer Nitro series, the Acer Predator series saw huge price cuts last year. But this time around, unfortunately, most of them are out of stock. Some noteworthy gaming laptops include the MSI GF65 at 95,000 and the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 at 63,500 rupees. When it comes to smartphones, again, this time there are no mind-blowing deals or anything. There are a few good ones like the Apple iPhone 12 mini, which usually sells for 70,000 rupees, is discounted to 60,000. But remember, it's a bank offer, so make sure you have an SBI credit card. If you're looking to cop a good mid-range phone, Samsung's Galaxy M51 is an excellent offering. You can check out our long-term review here. It's selling at its lowest price ever, 20,990 rupees, but make sure to check the 2,000 rupee coupon box before adding it to the cart, or you will not receive the offer. That's quite weird. I've seen this kind of coupons before on Amazon, but specifically during this sale, I'm seeing it on many product pages. The thing is, it's not very easy to notice. People tend to miss it. So no matter what you buy on Amazon during this sale, make sure to look for this. If it's there, then check that box. You can thank me later. Xiaomi Mi 10i is on sale for 20,899. In fact, it was just launched around a couple of weeks ago. So we get a 1,000 rupees coupon box here. You can tick it. It's a great deal. And if you're looking for a newly launched ultra high-end phone, there is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which comes with a 10,000 rupee cashback offer if you buy it using an HDFC credit or debit card. The M31s and the M31 Prime are also on sale. The Note 9 Pro Max at 15K is a great deal as well. And to top it all off, there is a 2,500 rupee discount on the OnePlus 8T. Coming to TVs, I don't know where to start because Even in the Diwali sale last year, the offers were not great, and this time it's even worse. I personally think COVID played a big role in this. I remember before COVID, there were amazing TV deals. I bought one TV myself, but things have changed now. Brands are increasing the prices of their existing TVs. Like recently, Xiaomi hiked their TV prices. If you are planning to buy a TV, I would suggest you sleep on it and keep an eye out on some newcomers in the next few months. Or if you're in dire need of an upgrade, just go ahead, buy a TV of your choice, no issues. In case you come across a good deal on TVs, definitely let me know, I'll update on the sheet. Moving on to earphones, this time around we are seeing a lot of offers on TWS earbuds, and that's not surprising. With the removal of earphones from the box and headphone jack from the phone, people are looking for alternatives, and a lot of people seem to prefer TWS to regular Bluetooth earphones. So since it has become a fast moving device, manufacturers can afford to sell them for even as low as 800 rupees, like these Petron bass buds, which actually sound quite good for the price. The Sennheiser Momentum earbuds, which are being sold for 9,990 right now, that's their lowest ever price point. If you don't want to shell out 10,000 though, we've got your back. Just look at these Crossbeats Evolve and the Crossbeats Torque. Both are really good for the price. Especially the Evolve at 35.99 rupees is fantastic value. If you're feeling this is a little pricey and looking for something even cheaper, go for the Redmi Earbuds S, which has seen a price cut of 500 rupees. It's available for 1,200 right now. By the way, do note that some of these products may be out of stock. So if you want timely updates on offers from next time, please join our Telegram channel, link in the description. We've been posting some great deals from Jan 19th itself. You can scroll down to check out other product categories on the sheet. Here are some deals that I feel are noteworthy, like the JBL Flip 3 and JBL Flip 5, both come with an IPX7 waterproof rating and offer fantastic audio quality. The Flip 3 sells for 4,499 and the Flip 5 sells for 7,999. With JBL Flip 3, you get 10 hours of playback time, and with JBL Flip 5, you get 12 hours of playback time. Seagate 12 TB external hard disk is on sale for 21,999, which looks pricey at first, but if you do the math, it's just about 1,800 rupees per TB. It also includes 3 years of rescue data recovery services. If you're looking for more deals on various other categories, of course, like I said earlier, just check out the link in the description. Apart from all these, there are also a few card offers on both Amazon and Flipkart. On Amazon, you can use SBI credit card to get 10% discount up to 1,500 rupees. And on Flipkart, you can use the HDFC credit or debit card to get 10% discount. But do note that only if you use a credit card, you get a maximum discount of 1,500 rupees. In case you have only a debit card, the maximum discount is capped at 500 rupees. These offers are applicable even on EMI options. I'm sure it's quite evident that it took us hours and hours to prepare the sheet for you. If you think that is a good gesture, just one favor. Use the links given on the sheet to make your purchases. We earn a little bit of commission through that, so it helps us do more of this stuff. Another favor, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That's it. Thanks for watching. Ashwin Sundar here from Technology Jock. I'll see you in the next one. Bye and take care.